Assalamu alaikum, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. We are now going to have another few verses. Today we'll have 3 verses. Hopefully they're not going to be as difficult as they were in the last case. And they are much shorter, briefer. So 3 is fair. And I keep telling you, and I hope you keep agreeing with me, the very best part of this whole exercise is that the lessons are very short. You'll love it. They just go like this. So this time as well, this lesson is going to finish very soon. And it's going to be celebrations later on. Okay. Verses 50, 51 and 52 of Surah Al Baqarah. The second surah of the Quran, the longest surah of the Quran. So let me recite these verses in Arabic first. I hope that you've already had some favorite reciter of yours in place whom you listen to every now and then and enjoy listening to him. And when you listen to him reciting these verses, you understand these verses. Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وإذ فرقنا بكم البحر فأنجيناكم وأغرقنا آل فرعون وأنتم تنظرون وإذ وعدنا موسى 40 ليلة ثم اتخذتم العجل من بعده وأنتم ظالمون ثم عفونا عنكم من بعد ذلك لعلكم تشكرون. Great. As I said, all these verses are very, very short, brief. I should have said Sadaqallahu al-Azim. Yeah. Okay, now let's start translating these verses. What is? Now you know it. And when. That is, remind them when. And talk about it. Talk about the fact when. Faraqna. We divided. Na is we. Faraq, to divide. We divided. Parted. Bikumul Bahra. Al Bahr, the sea. Bikum, with you. That is, we took you through the sea. Wais Farakna Bikumul Bahra. And recall, be reminded, when we divided, when we parted with you the sea. Anjayna. So we saved you. We saved. Kum, you. Na is always we. Anjaynakum. So we saved you. You know, last time we studied Najjaynakum. That was also saved. Anjayna is also saved. Anjaynakum. So we saved you. Aghraqna. And we drowned Ala Fir'aun. Who? The people of Pharaoh. Wa antum, and you, tanzurun, nazar, tanzurun, you were looking at it. You were looking on. You were watching it happening. You know, the entire army of Pharaoh drowning in front of you. What a spectacle that might have been. Wais Va'adna. Wais and when. Va'adna, we promised. Va'ada, promise. Va'adna, we promised. Whom? Musa. We promised Musa, Moses, promised him what? Arba'ina, 40. Arba in Arabic is 4 and Arba'ina, Arba'una is 40. What 40? Laylatan, nights. Wais Vadna Musa, and recall the time when we promised Moses, Arbaina Laylatan, 40 nights, Thumma, then, ittakhaztum, you made. Now, you might say, why ittakhaztum, why not attakhaztum? Well, if you read thumma ittakhaztum, then you join it. But if you stop at thumma, then it would be ittakhaztum. Thumma ittakhaztum, then you made al-ijla, the calf, min ba'dihi, after him. That is, you made the calf as an object of worship. It's not mentioned, but it's implied. You know what implied is? It's obvious. If it's self descriptive, it's not mentioned, but it's implied. So, ثُمَّ اتَّخَذْتُمُ الْعِجْلَ, then you made the calf an object of your worship. They made a model of that animal and they started worshipping it. Min ba'dihi, after him. After Moses, after Musa alayhi salam left, they made this calf an object of worship. Wantum zalimun, and you were being unfair. That is, what you did was extremely unfair. Wantum zalimun, you were zalim. You were unfair. Thumma, then, afawna, we forgave you. We forgave ankum, you. Thumma afawna, then we forgave ankum, you, mim ba'di zalika, after that. Mim ba'di, after zalika, that, la'allakum, so that you, tashkurun, be grateful. Right? So let's do it again. Verse 50 onwards. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Wais faraqna, and remember and recall when we divided, become along with you, al-Bahra, the sea, fa'anjayna, so we saved kum, you, wa'aghraqna, and we drowned ala Fir'auna, the people of Pharaoh, antum, and you, tanzurun, were looking on, you were watching it happening. Wise, and recall when, which really means that incident took place at some point in time, and this one, the one that is being talked about now, took place sometime later, much later. Wise, and when. Wa'adna, we promised. Moses. Arba'ina, 40, laylatan, nights. Thumma, then, ittakhaztum, you made, al-ijla, the calf, an object of worship, not mentioned in words. Min ba'dihi, after him. He is Moses, Musa alayhi salam. Wantum zalimun, and you were being unfair. You were really unfair. Wais atayna, thumma afawna, then afawna, we forgave, ankum, you, mim ba'di zalika, after that, la'allakum, so that you, tashkurun, be grateful. So that you be grateful. I'll be grateful if you listen to me now in the Arabic recitation of these 3 verses, and you listen to it with the intention, with the objective that you will try to understand what the meanings are. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. I seek refuge in Allah from the evil whispers of Satan, the rejected one. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. We begin in the name of Allah, the God, whose mercy is immense, whose mercy, kindness is forever. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. وَإِذْ فَرَقْنَا بِكُمُ الْبَحْرَ فَأَنْجَيْنَاكُمْ وَأَغْرَقْنَا آلَ فِرْعَوْنَ وَأَنْتُمْ تَنْظُرُونَ وَإِذْ وَعَدْنَا مُوسَى 40 لَيْلَةً ثُمَّ اتَّخَذْتُمُ الْعِجْلَ مِنْ بَعْدِهِ وَأَنْتُمْ ظَالِمُونَ ثم عفونا عنكم من بعد ذلك لعلكم تشكرون. صدق Allah al-Azim. God the Great said the truth. So we come to the end of this session of Arabic translation, English translation of the Quran and its recitation. And I hope, like always, you understood what I recited, and like always, you really like the idea that we are understanding the Quran while we are reading it. You know what? When you pray to God, you ask Him from inside your heart that you want to get something that God also wants you to get. He certainly makes it happen, provided you ask for it. So do ask God to enable you to understand the Quran, the entire Quran, as best as is possible. And for that, you've already started the exercise. The only thing that needs to be done is that you continue to persevere. And I hope that you are also practicing it on your own as well. Inshallah, I'll meet tomorrow again. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.